Spirit asks, why do you question what you already know? Within the corners of your mind, old emotions drift in and out, hoping to be seen. These thoughts no longer need to be harbored. The analytical mind has kept you looping, doubting your own soul. Spirit reminds you that your intuition has always been precise and aligned. When you release the noise, clarity rises naturally. Today, choose to let intrusive thoughts dissolve. When the mind quiets, intuition finally takes its rightful place. Step into this new clarity. Your soul already knows the way.